Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money with superpay.me as a beginner. Let's begin. Making money with superpay.me as a beginner involves a few simple steps. Okay, so now let's click on the join for free option. All you have to do is provide as much as details as you can, and remember that superpay.me is a hassle-free way to make money online the same day, wherein it's a legit website when you can earn real money anytime, anywhere. All right. Now from here, I'm going to provide all the information, and the next thing that will happen is you would be able to see a verification window, and you need to check your email. Now, all you have to do is copy the confirmation code and then switch back to the superpay.me verification code. And all you have to do is click on confirm, and voila, we have successfully created our profile here. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you have set up, you need to understand the platform. So these is going to be the dashboard, and you need to familiarize yourself within the dashboard. All right, so here you will find available surveys, offers, and other tasks, and you need to learn about different ways to earn points, such as surveys, offer walls, watching videos, and referring friends. Let's go to the surveys and offers. Now when you click on the paid surveys, you see all you have to do is undergo any of the tasks given here. Say for example, it's going to be a CPX research. When you click on it, as you can see, all you have to do is take the paid surveys. If you have an opinion, smart people like you watching this video can be paid for it. All you have to do is click on the CPX search. Now when you hover down below, as you can see, you can make surveys. Say for example, you complete a survey, unlimited surveys available for $1.20. All right, and the more tasks you get, the more you earn, basically, right? And you can earn extra money on the offer walls, which is on this part right here. Now basically, the offer walls are the offers that can range from signing up for free trials, downloading apps, to making purchases. For example, these are the medias or the platforms that you can basically explore the offer wall section, from Ascend Media, AdGate Media, MyChips, BitLabs, Adamantium, Lootably, Review, Torax, and a lot more. And of course, as you can see, you can get paid to download games, take trials, complete surveys, and watch videos and more. All right, so, and from here, if you wanted again to take a look back on the paid surveys, just click one of these platforms. For example, we have down to the CPX research earlier. Now let's try the BitLabs. As you can see, these are going to be the surveys. If you take the 30-minute surveys, you'll get 88.22 points. And for the automotive, that's going to be 9 minutes. Shopping is 20 minutes. But the thing is, you can convert these points to the dollars that you're going to be earning here. For example, you earn 88 points. The points will be automatically reflected on your dashboard at the upper right corner. And of course, you can convert that into real cash. And later we will deal with the payment method. But when you hover to the offers right here, you can select your device that you want. For example, you're only passively taking care of the superpay.me, or not on your computer or laptop. You might want to use your Android phone for now, or an iPhone, or even an iPad. All right. When we switch here on the menu, the hamburger menu, you can see these options that says earn, reward history, privacy settings, of course, a language that you are using. If you're not a big fan of the English, if you're using a native language that you wanted, just switch to the language here. Now, on the paid games, you can make more money, because I've tried getting paid testing trials for this one. Say for example, you're going to be confirming your gender here and choose your age, like 20. click on continue, and what will happen is this is going to be the active offers. Just wait for it to load up because it'll take a while. But the thing is, you can also hover to the referrals right here. Though the referral link is just sharing that with your friends, family, clients, boss, colleagues, and you earn a percentage of their earnings. All right. This is going to be your unique referral link right here. All I have to do is copy that and send it to social media platforms such as... Now, these are the channels that you can share your unique referral superpay.me link on TikTok, Facebook, and of course Snapchat. All right. Now, when you hover down below, you can use this referral link to your social media, blogs, or forums to promote your referral link and attract more signups. All right. And the cash out earnings has a minimum threshold. As a low payout threshold, ensure you made it to request payments. In terms of the payment, all right, when you click on the withdraw, these are going to be your options. All right. Your withdraw options are the PayPal, which is the minimum. It's going to be 8 hours. That's going to be $3. But as of now, because I haven't started yet, I don't have enough cash to request this withdrawal method, right? And from here, you must have completed 5 surveys withdrawals and meet the qualifying criteria using the withdrawal method. And you can also use your Skrill Cash Unlimited for the minimum of $5. But again, I do not have enough cash to request this withdrawal method. Now from here, if you have like disputes over your D points or convert points in cash, just click here to raise a support ticket. All right. So I've done that in the past. Basically, what I did was I asked for information about how to making money with superpay.me as a beginner, just for a test ticket. And one of the support staff, I was surprised that are more than welcome to assist me with their tips and guidelines on how to do it. All right. And from here, you can also click on the paid lists. So these are the latest members payment, right? So this is going to be one of the testimonials that this superpay.me is a legit website where you can earn passive income at your most convenient time, flexible. And again, you can use all the devices such as your mobile device, iPhone or iPad, and an Android. All right. So displaying one of 74 rather. And again, if you wanted more help, just click on the help section. These are the guidelines. If you think this video is not enough for you to take advantage and explore on how to make money with the superpay.me as a beginner. And I believe by following these steps, you can start making more money with superpay.me as a beginner. But please remember that it's very important to stay consistent and explore all available earnings opportunities on the platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.